Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. So the first position is for the opening of software testers, and the location is Mohali. So they are looking for someone who is having experience of 1 year, must have knowledge of Jira. Interested people can share CV at this particular email address. Then there is a remote job opportunity, and someone who is having the experience of working in education agency. So it's a contractual role. Location is remote within US, and you can share your resume at this email address. Then TalentXO is hiring for software testers, freshers. The location is Pune, Bangalore, and the package is 4.25 LPA. So you can send your resume to this particular email address. The shortlisted applicants will receive the exam link via email. Then Opus Technologies is hiring for various positions. So this is the referral email address wherein you can share your CV along with the notice period. So let me show you the positions as well. So there are multiple positions in this company. Right. So all this hiring is going on. Business analyst 6+ years, and all the positions are for the location of Pune. Business analyst 6+ years, then Java architect, then big data developer, QA automation tester, again 6+ years, number of positions 5, and the location is Pune. Java tech lead, Java developer, Java full stack developer. So these are the various experiences and the skills that they are looking for. Then there is a requirement for QA test engineer for an American MNC-based company, and the required experience is 3 years. Job location is Ahmedabad. You can share your updated resume at this email address, or you can also call or WhatsApp on this number. Then you can join the tech tribe. So we are hiring for open positions. So business development executive, React.js developer, Node.js developer, quality assurance engineer, experience 1 to 2 years, technical support specialist, experience 6 months to 2 years. And you can send your updated CV to this email address. The location is Surat, and the interview mode would be offline. So you need to go over there, face-to-face interview would be taken. Then Iris Software Inc. is hiring for an SDET. Details are mentioned below. Skills are Selenium, Java, REST Assured, SQL. Experience is 5 to 10 years. Location is Gurgaon. Weekend drive, it would be there. So it would be on 15th of February, upcoming Saturday. And this is the email address where you need to apply. Then there is one more referral email address wherein you can send your CV. There are 2 openings, 5 to 10 years, automation and functional testers, right? Location is Chennai, and another is mobile UI test automation. 2 positions are there using Cypress Playwright with JavaScript, right? So these are the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and the work from home opportunities were also there. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel, because such kind of information is shared absolutely free of cost with you. So looking forward to your support, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.